How to delete burst photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Once you are here, you can view all your photos and videos. Now, scroll through your library to find the burst photos you want to manage. Burst photos are a series of pictures taken in quick succession and grouped together. Tap on the burst photo group to open it. On this page, tap on Burst at the top as shown. You can now view all the individual photos from the burst. Scroll and tap the circle on the photo you want to keep as a favorite. Once you're done, tap Done at the top right corner. From the pop-up, select Keep Everything as shown. This will keep every photo on burst. Now, go to the burst photo group and tap on Delete at the bottom right corner. Tap on Delete Photos to confirm. The photos will be moved to your recently deleted album. Following these steps, you can easily delete burst photos on an iPhone.